Well, Vanessa wanted snow. We're getting it. We're going to come out here about every hour. We've got this huge snowstorm coming. Going to document the progress and maybe take a walk in it. Okay, maybe not to walk, but we will document this. This should be interesting. Stick around, guys.
We're Jim and Vanessa. Thanks for taking the off-ramp to adventure.
We do have snow that's rolling into our area already this morning. It's not going to be very long before it's widespread. And then from there, we're all over the place.
Vanessa's going outside. Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
That's what we need. Be careful. That's what we need to do. Go outside.
I don't have the right shoes on. It's extremely deep. Look.
Yeah. Those are the right shoes, I take it.
Yes.
I don't have the right shoes.
Well, you know what? Kentucky hasn't had a lot of snow in a long time.
I have sneakers.
I have a feeling that we're going to have more snow this winter.
Yeah?
Canada is sending some stuff our way.
Being so generous. These are the chairs we should have put up. Or I should have put up anyway. Having fun?
Yeah. You can't see
Make sure I don't fall.
up there on the roof. You can't see where the roof ends and the sky begins. Look.
Yeah, it's just kind of a matte color all the way around. Knowing you like I know you, you're probably thinking, this would be a great day for a fire pit.
It would.
Yeah, if you could get to it.
Oh gosh, look at it.
Look how deep the snow is.
We had a lot of wind before the snow came.
Yeah, we haven't had snow in what, 5 years?
Oh gosh, if we have, it hasn't been enough to even make a snowball.
Yeah, but look at it now. Look at my, look how deep it is. Let's get the chairs ready and get some lemonade, sit outside for a while.
I don't even know where the snow,
Can't
is.
find the fire pit.
Our light, this light here stands as tall as that one. It's
Yeah,
almost
these are like 6 inches off the ground at the bottom. You see the bottom. And yeah, there's the fire pit. Here's my coat getting all white. I love your hair.
No, is it wet?
No. She just washed it. That's the great thing. Just kind of sticking out of your hoodie.
Okay, see what's happened to this one.
Oh, we need some wood. Oh, she's so optimistic. I'm not.
This one is from what?
The 127 yard sale. If you didn't see the video, check it out. They had a grasshopper right here. I think he's long gone though.
This one's also from 127 yard sale.
Yeah, the second
The
one,
second
right?
time around.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Little table. Oh, you got to see this. This is from Dogwood Pass.
Dogwood
Christmas
Pass.
Experience, the Wild West.
Yeah, they have their own blacksmith there, and
This
he
is
made
a horseshoe at one time.
Yeah, I really love this. When he handed it to me, it was still hot.
$20.
Yeah, that's all it was. And then this here was from, I think it's Madison, Indiana, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, that is
one of the
Madison.
places we went in, and they had a lot of, it was an old vintage store.
If you haven't checked out Madison, we've been there twice. Check it out.
And that one is made out of a license plate.
The best part of a day like today, cocoa time. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's do it.
I forgot my gloves. I get on him all the time about not having gloves, and I don't have mine on.
See?
I know, it's crazy. Yeah, here's our fire pit. I mean, our grill. It's got, you can see. That's how much we've got.
This is the, wow.
Yeah, that's the top of it.
This is deep.
That is the monarch
butterfly garden.
We're going to tear that up and we're going to start all over next
we're
year.
Gonna try it again.
Here was a monarch butterfly here that I bought somewhere. I can't remember where when I first started. His colors come off. But, hopefully he'll draw some.
I feel sorry for this guy.
Aw.
This is a little froggy wind thing, and he just will not. He keeps getting walked on by animals or something. He will not stay up.
I got to go in. My hands are freezing.
Oh, fun time, huh?
Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Shut the door. Blair's been wanting to get into that birdhouse all morning. Watch.
Okay, latest update. Can you hear that? That's not rain. That's sleet. And look how much snow is accumulated on that feeder. Wow, even inside the sleet sounds loud. And here's Vanessa doing her part to feed the little birdies. If we can keep the squirrels out of it. I don't know if you remember our Harrodsburg video, but we bought this birdhouse and we've got a bird that's trying to take up residence, so Vanessa's got the feed out just in time for all this stuff that's happening out here. Yeah, it's one happy little bird. What's really crazy is we're talking about maybe taking a drive. This should be fun.
Okay, so what do you think we have now? It's about 11:30 in the morning.
Well, they've said about 1 or 2 inches an hour, and it's been 3 hours. We have at least 4 inches that I stepped into. So.
Oh, I believe so, at least. You know, we've been digging out the shed, the top of our shed in the back of our house, so we could feed the birds. Every 15 minutes, you know, they're like coming like, okay, now where are the seeds? We haven't been out long, but just in that time frame, what do you think? Maybe a couple more inches have happened?
Yeah. Wow. That was fun. Woo! You know, this car, I love it. I mean, it handled well, but we were turning into our subdivision and there were a couple of cars up the hill that had gone off the road. So yeah, it's not a day to be out. Okay, it's the next day. We had some freezing rain last night. Very much a winter wonderland today. Listen to the snow. Yeah, kind of crunchy. The good news is we didn't lose power last night. Well, for a brief second, just enough to make the internet blink. We heard a pop. It came right back on, so thank you, God. Okay, behind us we've got a drainage ditch. Walking through this is just weird. Look at this ice. And it's still falling. Hear it? Vanessa thought it might be interesting to some of you to a little bit of ice there too. Wow. To see our sump pump drain. A lot of people worry about the water freezing up on their sump pump. We've got an unfinished basement and we're evidently on a water table because it works a lot. So, you know, we're kind of curious, does this thing ever freeze up? And as you can tell by that big open spot, oh, the water's coming out just fine. That's our drain right there. I'm good with that, as long as the sump pump keeps working. Worked big time last night. But enough of me yammering. Let's get to what you really want to see, the winter shots. There we go. I know, I really should have turned this over, but oh well, too late. Did cover up the firewood though. I'm not sure what the temperature is this morning, but I do know what time it is. It's hot cocoa time. And the barbecue pit now has probably 6 to 8 inches of snow on top of it. Yeah. Snowfall was kind of beefy last night. Look at this mess. Ooh. Hot iron in the winter. Very cold, just so you know. Careful. Okay. And with that, I think we're going to wrap up this little adventure with our binkies in front of the fake fireplace. You ready to cuddle in tonight, snuggle up?
Tell you what, it is cold out there. We just came back in from shooting the one piece about the little bird that has adopted us.
It made its home outside, evidently. I don't know.
I know, and it's hard. It's still cold. So yeah, but it's been.
It's cold. It's supposed to be hot. We're having hot stuff. It's cold. Oh well. Thanks again for joining us. We really appreciate it, especially if you're hunkered down with us. We're in the boat with you. Okay.
I think this whole what do they call it, a severe threat, has gone through like the whole middle of the United States.
The winter storm.
Yeah, so some of you all might be experiencing just what we did.
We've done like 2-minute segments. Okay, like okay, inside.
And
it's
right,
cold.
yeah, and right now it's sleeting. The windows are starting to get like clear ice.
That
that's
little
covering all of it.
look, like you're looking through frosted glass or something.
Yeah, it's been a beautiful day though.
It has. We've been able to be home. Hopefully you had a nice warm place to be. It's really been a good place to be today. If you like this video, we'd appreciate it if you give us a thumbs up.
Yeah, and subscribe and leave a comment. Let us know if you were a part of this, because we know there are a lot of the states across the middle that got hit extremely hard. And I think we have been blessed with not having it as bad as some of the other states in the U.S.
Yeah, we hope you guys have been able to stay safe. Really do.
We're supposed to both go back to work tomorrow.
Yeah, supposed to, but I don't think I'm going to make it.
I don't think either one of us is going to make it. So, yeah.
Over the river and through the woods.
Well, it's just a layer of ice now.
That's how you get over the river and through the woods. You're in it. It's like,
slide over it.
Slide
over the woods.
Right into the woods,
It's been doing this now for about 2 hours.
Yeah,
so there's nothing out. No one is plowing. No one is doing anything.
Yeah, even the snow trucks won't come out. And again, thanks guys for being with us. Catch you next time. Don't forget, adventure is as close as the next off-ramp.
See ya.